In this tutorial, we will be discussing the union method of a set in Python. The union method returns a new set that contains all items from both sets, without any duplicates. Here, we have two sets, set 1 and set 2. We then use the union method on set 1 and pass set 2 as an argument. The result is a new set, set 3, that contains all items from set 1 and set 2 without any duplicates. The union method can also be used with the pipe vertical bar or union operator. Here, we use the union operator, vertical bar, to perform the same operation as the union method. The result is the same as before, a new set, set 4, that contains all items from set 1 and set 2 without any duplicates. And that's how you can use the union method and the union operator to combine sets in Python. Happy coding!